Hey everybody, this is Andrew from Uplink. I want to show you how we deliver on one of our company maxims, which is that technology should be experienced but not seen. So if you come with me, this is going to be the customer's dining room, and as you can see here, we've got some black circle brackets in the ceiling. What those are is they're called speaker brackets, and this is for his whole home audio system. So speakers are actually going to go up into those spots, but why we put those up now is so that it allows us to get the cleanest, most aesthetically aligned look for the space. As you can see, it actually lines up perfectly with his lighting, and the speakers are spaced out equidistant in the room to give him the best sound possible in this space as well. And then if you want to follow me into what's the customer's office, I'll show you a couple other things we have. So if you just look up right here, this is for an access point, and we've got this wired directly back to the modem. So this access point, he's got 3 of them equidistant throughout the home, 1 on each floor, and these are going to deliver super fast, super reliable Wi-Fi because they're plugged directly into the modem, and they're hidden neatly up in the ceiling. It just looks like a smoke detector. It's just going to give you great Wi-Fi, and it's all a mesh network throughout the house. And then if you come over here, we've got Cat6 cables here that are also running directly back to the modem, and these are going to allow the client, when he puts his desk in here and sets up his office, he's going to be able to plug his computer directly into the network, which is going to give him the fastest speed possible and the best reliability possible. So these kind of features that we do as the home is being built is one of the ways in which we deliver an Uplink approved smart home.